had been spotted entering Sauer County last night. Lock all door and windows. Close all curtains. If you live nearby the police station, go to police station and you will be safe. If someone tried to open your door or knock the door, do not open. Remain calm. Go hide and call 911 immediately.